Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry front right side mirror. So I got this for $29 free shipping fee plus tax. So the total damage is $31.54. So yeah, unfortunately this one is all black color. So if my customer has a white color, we'll need to repaint it. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, and the product is made in China. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and go ahead and check it out. Wow, nice packaging to avoid from getting damaged. They come with 3 of the nuts. Put it here just in case I dropped it. So this is like a rubber seal. It's kind of like a warp and stuff. So should be fine. And set the thread for the nut. So I think the original plug, it just set right here. But somehow this one has an extension, so, and it's yellow with the blue and white color, and this is only fit in one direction, so it's dummy proof. So wow, look at the mirror, it looks so nice, so clear. Even at the objects in mirror are closer than they appear. So yeah, we need to paint this housing right here. Need to cover this up or tape it up. And then the mirror part right here, and then just spray paint it. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.